you looking for a workout that you can do at home or outside with little equipment? Well, I'm Coach Dani here with Six Pack Abs, and I have just the workout for you today. All you need is an exercise mat, your water, and one dumbbell. So come with me and let's go through a single dumbbell circuit that will target our whole body. All right, so now I'm going to show you each exercise that we're going to go through in our circuit today, and the first one is called a pull-thru. You're going to get onto all fours with your knees just hovering above the floor or exercise mat. You want to maintain a straight line from shoulder to elbow to wrist. Abdominals pulled in tight with the dumbbell set to one side of your body. You're going to pull through, reach for the dumbbell and pull it to the other side and set it down. And then alternate by pulling through with the opposite hand each time, all the while maintaining a neutral neck and a tight core. Exhale as you pull through, inhale as you land. Our second exercise today is a squat, hold, and curl. So you're gonna get your feet shoulders width apart with the dumbbell in between both hands horizontally. You're gonna squat down and place your elbows onto the inside of your knees, and from here, drop your arms to a full extension. You're gonna curl the dumbbell up, squeezing the biceps while maintaining thighs parallel to the ground, abdominals in tight, and chest and head up. You're gonna inhale down and exhale through the mouth as you come up with the dumbbell. Our third exercise today is a hollow belly with a pull over. So you're gonna take your dumbbell again horizontally between your hands. You're gonna lie flat on your back, pressing the low back into the floor. Extend your arms overhead and hover your feet above the ground. From here, you're gonna pull over your head with the dumbbell and stop when it's in a straight line from wrist to shoulders, and then go right back to that start position, never allowing the dumbbell to actually hit the floor. This is a very controlled move while maintaining abdominals in tight and low back into your mat. You're gonna inhale down and exhale as you pull overhead. Okay, it's time for our final exercise. It's a reverse lunge with a twist. So again, like the last two exercises, the dumbbell is in the same position, horizontally placed between both hands. You're gonna take a step back into a lunge, not hitting the floor with your knee, and as you do, you're gonna twist to the outside of the front leg. Come back to center, step up, and alternate legs, twisting the opposite direction. Push through the heel of the foot every time you come up out of your lunge. Inhale down into your lunge and exhale as you twist. All right, it's time to get started. Real quickly, I want to go over the breakdown of this workout with you. I've shown you the exercises, and now we're going to perform them in intervals of 45 seconds of work and 15 seconds of rest for a total of 3 rounds, making this workout only 12 minutes. If you can't do this, I don't know what to tell you, because there are no excuses when we're here with Six Pack Abs. I'm gonna hit my start button, and that's gonna give us a 10-second warm-up. The first exercise is the pull-thru, so we're gonna get down onto the ground. So get ready, because I'm about to hit start. Again, make sure that those knees are hovering above the ground. And we're starting in 10. Have your dumbbell ready, off to your side. Whoops. There's always some kind of malfunction, right? Set and go. Pull it through, keeping those knees at 90 degrees, hovering above the ground, belly button drawn in towards your spine, and maintaining a straight line in both arms when your hand is placed on the ground. Breathe in the nose and out the mouth. Try to maintain a nice flat back, okay? And personal best, you guys, nothing less. These are not intense, fast movements. These are slow and controlled. Breathing, squeezing, and achieving. 10 seconds left here. Don't forget to breathe. Hold on to it. 4 seconds to go. And time. Very good. Okay, our second exercise is the squat, hold, and curl. So feet shoulders width apart, toes facing forward, drop into that squat hold, and get ready because we're starting in less than 5 seconds with our bicep curl. And go. You're gonna squeeze those biceps as you curl that dumbbell to the front of your chest. Maintain your abdominals in tight, your head is straight, your chest is proud, shoulder blades back and down. Keeping those thighs parallel to the ground if possible. If you are a beginner and it's difficult for you to get into this position, just hold your squat a little higher. Just do what you can for today, your personal best and nothing less ever. Exhaling the dumbbell up, inhaling it down. Hold on to it, 13 seconds left. We've got this. You gotta train it to gain it. Almost there. Woo! Time, yes. Awesome job. Now we're getting down onto the floor for our third exercise, our hollow belly and pull over. So remember, we're never gonna let the dumbbell or our feet hit the floor on this one. Hold those feet up, pull that dumbbell overhead, squeezing your pectorals. Think about your shoulders, your triceps, and even your biceps right now. Maintain that belly button pulled in nice and tight to the best of your ability, and try to keep from having a space between your low back and the floor. Slow and controlled, breathing through it. You got this, going strong. You might feel those quads fire up by holding your legs off the floor. That's normal. We like that. We need that. Woo! Burning and earning. All right, fourth and final exercise of our first round of the circuit today is a reverse lunge and twist. Holding your dumbbell horizontally just in front of your chest. Step back into that lunge. It's go time and twist. Push through the heel to come up. Alternate sides. So we're really thinking about our obliques every time we make this twist happen. And again, we're also activating those legs, quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Slow and controlled, trying to maintain balance. This is definitely one of those where you might start to feel a little wobbly. So just try to stay focused on keeping your move controlled. You got this, going strong. Keep pushing through it. Woo, see? We all lose our balance sometimes. All right, back to the top with our pull through. Get that dumbbell off to one side. You're gonna get into that plank position with your knees bent, hovering above the ground. And go. Reach through, remove that dumbbell and place it on the other side. Again, keeping your core very tight, keeping your arms straight, and breathing. A nice straight or flat back is the goal. You got this. Keep it controlled. Keep everything as tight as possible. Squeeze every part of your body that you feel activated right now. Going strong. We got this. We can and we will. We're almost there. Less than 5. And time. All right. Second exercise, squat, hold, and curl. So we're upright. Hopefully getting some oxygen to the lungs now. And drop it into a squat because we are ready, set, and go. Exhale up, inhale down. Squeeze those biceps. Squeeze those quads. They should be on fire in this exercise. You gotta burn it to earn it. If you're not burning, you're not earning. Let's go. Going strong, mind over matter, mind over body. There you go, squeeze those biceps. Bring that dumbbell all the way up towards your chest or shoulders. Full extension down with the dumbbell. 5 seconds to go, hold on to it. Squeeze it, what's burning? Your biceps, your quads, all of it. Good. All right, down onto our backside, face up. And we are doing hollow belly and pull over. All right, get ready and go. This one really, I feel in my quads. So if you do this workout after a leg day, you'll see what I'm talking about. Exhale, dumbbell overhead. Don't let the dumbbell hit the floor. Squeeze your quads. Hold your abs in tight. Going strong. Squeeze those pecs, the chest muscles. When I say pecs, I'm talking about your chest. You got this. Come on. No pain, no gain. Woo! Oh, saved by the bell on that one. All right, up to standing. We've got a reverse lunge with a twist. In 5. Catch your breath, inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, and here we go. Step back, keep it controlled. Try to maintain balance. It weebles, it wobbles, but it won't fall down. Always stay positive. Push through that heel to come up to standing. That helps activate the back of the legs and glutes. Woo! It's fun fitness, y'all. All day, every day with Dani. Woo! See, there it goes again. It's all right. Nobody's perfect. Going strong. You're doing great. Remember, if it doesn't challenge you, it does not change you. That's our second round. We only have one more. That's good news. I'm gonna start my dumbbell on the opposite side just to change it up. You can do the same, or you can keep it going how you've been doing it. But get into that plank position because it is ready, set, and go time. Pull through. Keep it controlled, abs in tight. Straight back. Inhale through the nose. Exhale through the mouth. I know I'm repetitive, but that is what it takes to remember what you need to be doing in your exercises. Going strong, going strong. You're strong, getting stronger with every rep that you do, every workout, every healthy choice you make. Squeeze those obliques when you reach through. Feel those quads fire up. Woo, time. All right, second exercise, squat, hold, and curl for the last time. If this is not enough for you, you can always add another round too, you guys. You don't have to just stop at 3. You can keep going for 4. Here we go, bicep curl. Get into that squat position. If at any point the squat hold gets too intense for you, just come up out of it for a moment and go right back into it. You can stand and curl, no shame. You got this. Going strong, squeezing and achieving. Personal best, always. Only you know if you're giving it your best. Only you know if you're cheating yourself right now. 15 seconds to go, hustle for that muscle. Keep your chest and head up. Abs engaged. 5 seconds to go, feel that burn. And time, woo! All right, getting down onto our backside. The last time for our hollow belly and pullover. My quads feel like they're getting murdered in this one. All right, in 3 seconds. And go. Remember, stop that dumbbell when it's in a straight line up towards the ceiling. Keep that low back pressed into the floor as much as you can. Sometimes people will put support under their low back, and that's totally fine if you have something small enough to stick in that gap to help you. You got this, come on. We're doing this together. Squeeze and achieve. Woo. All right, last exercise, woo-woo. This is the one getting me off balance today. I hope you love to see that. Here we go, reverse lunge and twist. Last time, twist. I'm gonna keep my balance on this one, I promise. Okay, I shouldn't promise. Who knows how it's really gonna go. Whew. I hope you're sweating with me because I'm feeling really sweaty. But if you wanna remember why we sweat it to get it, all right? If we don't put in the work, we can't get the results. Nothing good comes easy. And in fitness, no results appear without a little sweat. Or a lot. Woo, there's time. Yeah, baby, you done. I'm done. Well, it only took 12 minutes, but I felt it and I hope you did too. If you did feel that burn and you did enjoy it, please show me some love by liking this video. As well, if you haven't already, feel free to subscribe to our channel at SixPack Abs. As well, click the notifications bell so that you can be notified anytime we post new workouts for you. Don't forget, share with your loved ones because it's rude to be selfish. We should share the love of health and happiness. And I will see you another time here at SixPack Abs. Again, I'm Dani.